Hi friends, now we are solving a problem on Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, the given problem is applying Gauss divergence theorem and prove that integral s r bar dot n cap ds is equal to 3v or integral r bar dot ds is equal to 3v. Both are same here, but instead of n cap they are given only directly r bar dot ds is equal to 3v. So here they are mentioned clearly. We have to evaluate the surface integral. S is here closed, then only we can apply the surface integral, otherwise we cannot apply the surface integral. But they are mentioned clearly applying Gauss divergence theorem, nothing but obviously in the given problem S is a closed only. Here of course they are not given. Anyway, now you see, first this is in the form of f bar dot n bar ds. What is f bar here from the problem? F bar is equal to r bar. What is mean by r bar? R bar is a position vector in a three-dimensional space, that is xi plus yj plus zk. Now what is the Gauss divergence theorem statement we have? In the formula of the Gauss divergence theorem we have double integral over s f bar dot n cap ds is equal to triple integral v del dot f bar dv. So we need to find out del dot f bar. Del dot f bar is nothing but what actually? Dou by dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Dou f3 by dou z. What is f1 here? You have f1 is x, f2 is y, f3 is z. Now you substitute, then you will have dou x by dou x 1 plus dou y by dou y 1 plus dou z by dou z is nothing but 1. So you will have 3. Now substitute in the given statement, that is a Gauss divergence formula, then double integral f bar dot n bar ds, nothing but here r bar dot n bar ds is equal to triple integral v. What is the del dot f bar here? 3 dv. So this is equal to 3 into triple integral dv is nothing but what? Only 3v. Are they given here volume? No. If they are given a volume like a sphere or a cylinder or something, if they are given, then cone, then we can do easily, right? Cuboid, if they are given, then we can do. Okay, this is the problem. This problem many times they are given in the exam as in a short answer question. Friends, same question they are asking in a different way. In the exams sometimes it is came. Okay, now we will write that question and we will solve the problem. Okay, you see, using divergence theorem, evaluate double integral s x dy dz plus y dz dx plus z dx dy, where s is the closed surface enclosing a volume v. Here you observe they are given double integral s, no? So you can also write this as double integral s f bar dot n bar ds. In a Cartesian form we can write this as integral over s f1 into dy dz plus f2 into dz dx plus f3 into dx dy. So in this case, what is f bar actually? f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So from this you tell me, from the given problem, what is f1 now? dy dz quotient, that is x. So f bar is equal to x I plus f2 is nothing but here dz dx quotient. dz dx quotient is what I have? Y plus f3. f3 is here dz dx quotient, dz dx dy quotient, that is z. Here this is j, this is k. Okay, now f bar is xi plus yj plus zk is nothing but what? R bar only, na? In the previous problem, that one only we have done. Yes or no? Now, so using the Gauss divergence theorem, we have what we have actually? Integral s f bar dot n cap ds is equal to triple integral v del dot f dv. Now we need to find out del dot for this. What is the del dot f bar? Del dot f bar is dou f1 by dou x. f1 is here x. So with respect to x if you are done, then you will have 1. Now y with respect to y partially if you are done, then you will have 1. Z with respect to z derivative is 1. So the totally you will have 3. Now substitute f bar is equal to r bar or else f bar is equal to this one, then totally this value is equal to, then what you will have? Integral triple integral v 3 dv. You can write 3 outside because it's a constant. dv is nothing but 3v. So are we proved this one or not? In the previously, proved is nothing but actually for this solution is 3v. In the previous problem integral r bar dot n bar ds is equal to what we have proved 3v. So that is why I am saying. Is it clear? So sometimes they will give f bar clearly and n bar also they will give. In this case they will give directly multiplication in the Cartesian form. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.